Good morning. Simulated a job interview. Could you tell me a little about yourself? Of course, yes. I am honest, responsible, proactive person. I learn quickly. I have many office skills. I have extensive experience in the food industry. I am studying food engineering. I am single. I live with my mother and my aunt. I live in Bello, Antioquia. I am 37 years old. Why, why do you want to work for this company? I want to work in this company first of all because of what the company means to the country. This, this is one of the largest companies and has many employees and office nationwide. So I consider it important to be part of this company. I also have enough skills to help the company grow nationally and globally. What are your goals for the future? My immediate goals are I am going to graduate as food engineer. I will continue studying to be a food specialist. Then I will study English because I want to be bilingual. My long-term goals are I am going to buy a house and I going to travel to Europe on vacation. What are your great strengths and weaknesses? My skills are uh, I have experience in personal management. I know I know how to work under pressure. I know how to organize struggles and resolve new developed mood at an administrative and productive level. I know the current regulations. My weakness is I always want everything to go according to plan. Can you tell me a little bit more about the skills that you transfer from your previous line of work to our department here? In my previous job, I was in charge of certifying the production plan in different topics, including the HACCP and BMP system. This certification allowed us to give the final product at the value. Also, in my previous job, I implemented an information system that allowed information to be managed in real time and the most secure way. Thank you.